Welcome guys, thank you so much for joining in. So today in this video, I'm going to show you a very interesting scenario unfolding right now with Bitcoin price action, because if you look at the price structure here of Bitcoin in a daily time frame, you can see the price here tends to be following this Wyckoff's reaccumulation phase, because yesterday when the trend here was heading in an upper direction, we knew that this line here, this 40,000 to 41,800 is going to act as a very strong resistance line, because according to this Wyckoff, this line here is going to reject the price and we are going to see two different type of scenario. First here was more likely a shakeout and a possible breakout scenario, and the second one here was more likely a fake out type of scenario, liquidating the longs and then a move here in an upper direction. So this was the two scenario I shared yesterday on my video, and now we want to know what exactly is going to happen here. I also shared this analysis on my Twitter account. Let me show you that. For those individuals who are still unaware of my Twitter account, guys, it's crypto and feel free to follow me there, because you can see I like to share some of my chart analysis time and again. And yesterday when the price of Bitcoin here was around this 40,300 price level, I said, hey, we have to be careful because it is going to be a very strong resistance. This exact scenario was what I was expecting, shakeout type of scenario before price breaking in an upper direction. And look at this right now, the price of Bitcoin is finding a very strong resistance, right? So if you are going to see this scenario here playing out, this Wyckoff's shakeout type of scenario, then which price level could be getting gravitated? Because in that case, I would be looking around the price here to the downside around 34,900 to 34,800 price level, because this line here is going to be of hell of a support. You can see here in the past Bitcoin price action, this trend line has acted as a strong support, resistance, and now if we are going to see a pullback, then we know that this trend line is going to act as a very strong support, and then we could see this shakeout type of scenario playing out, right? So this is also one scenario what I'm actually expecting price of Bitcoin to do in the coming days, and why we are expecting more of a shakeout type of scenario at this current stage, because let me show you with this simple chart here. Because in a daily time frame, if you look at this price structure here, right, if you monitor this price movement in a very simple way, guys, you can see the price tends to be following this ascending triangle, and according to this ascending triangle, you can also see we have already got rejection after reaching the upper line area, but also don't forget this lower line here of this ascending triangle is going to act as a very strong support, right? So any sort of a price pullback, right, any sort of a price pullback, we know that this price level could be playing out as a Wyckoff's reaccumulation phase with this shakeout type of scenario, because this is exactly what we also talk on my video right now. Because this move here, right, look at this move is exactly what we are also expecting price of Bitcoin to do. If we are going to see a breakout from here, we are all good, right? But if this is going to be some sort of a pullback, then you can see the lower line area is going to act as a very strong support, and then we could see a possible move here in an upper direction for Bitcoin USD. And what we can also do right now, after seeing this consolidation phase, if the trend is going to continue further in upper direction, then what we can also add is this ascending channel, because now we know not just only this lower line of this ascending triangle is going to act as a support, also this ascending channel, the lower line, is going to act as a very strong support if the price of Bitcoin is going to see any sort of a pullback around the lower end area. So these are some example what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin. And for now, which price level to look for? Because you can see very clearly, guys, this ascending channel here has played a very important role in a smaller time frame, acted as a support at this current stage. You can see support, resistance, the upper line acted as a resistance, but not just only because of this ascending channel right now where we are finding support, but also this Fibonacci extension level, which I talked on my yesterday's video. I gave you guys this scenario here exactly at this 0.618 Fibonacci extension level. We are holding our ground very well. You can see it very clearly, right? And I also said you this 0.618 Fibonacci extension level is going to be one hell of a support, and this is exactly what is happening right now with Bitcoin price action in a 4-hour time frame. Any sort of a rejection from this 0.618 Fibonacci extension level, then we should also be prepared for a price move here in a downward direction. So next possible target for us right now in a 4-hour time frame is 36,791 and also 35,682 price level. But I personally think we are going to see more like a consolidation type of scenario here. For that, if this is going to happen, then the upper target in a 4-hour time frame is going to be around this 39,480 to 41,400 90 price level. So these are some of the scenarios I see right now looking at the price action of Bitcoin. So guys, this is a very short update on what could be unfolding right now with Bitcoin price action. I'm sorry I couldn't include Ethereum price action because I'm very busy today and I thought giving something is better than nothing, right? So this is all for today, guys. I hope this short video was still helpful enough. If that's the case, then hit the like button. Also, if you're watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anoop. Bye bye, guys.